Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset NordVPN on a laptop. Let's get started. First, make sure NordVPN is fully closed. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the NordVPN. Right click on it and click disconnect if it's connected. Right click the NordVPN icon again and click quit app or exit. Now let's reset the app. Open the NordVPN app again on your PC. Now click on settings at the bottom left of your screen. Now scroll down until you find reset app or reset settings. Click on it. NordVPN will ask you to confirm. Click yes or confirm. This will reset NordVPN to default settings. Your login details may be cleared, so you may need to log in again. If you don't see a reset option, don't worry, there is another simple way. Open control panel on your PC, go to programs, then uninstall a program, find NordVPN in the list, click it and choose uninstall. Once uninstalled, restart your PC. After restarting, go to the official NordVPN website, download the latest version and install it again. Log into your account and connect. This fully resets NordVPN and fixes most problems. And that's it. That's how you reset NordVPN on a laptop. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.